10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hi there, this is Saktivel welcoming you all to NumberRoyale. We have the most distinct version being played today. Welcome to Aji, Shah, Ritish, Black Mamba, Star, Emerald, Harihara Sudan, Jeffy, Samurai 007, Mahi, Eastman, Ratna MJ, Beard Boy 01, TTG 123, Selva, Srinidhi. Welcome to each and every one of you. I'm glad you're all here, staying safe and healthy. So as I said before, we are playing the most distinct version of the match. $5 to be shared by 20 of you. Most distinct simply means you give an answer, a correct answer, and if nobody else gives that answer, you get the maximum number of points if you are the unique answer provider. So let's say there are 55 of you playing and 5 of you give the same answer, then you get 50 points because the 50 others didn't think of the answer that you thought of. So think about it and see what is most likely to get you more points. All right. And before we get started, there is a riddle. What word has 5 letters and has only one left when 2 of them are removed? What word has 5 letters but has only one? Somebody says 3 alone. Pig B is close, getting close. Yeah, I have to accept that. That's so you're on the right track. I was thinking of a different word, but that's good. All right, so let's see if there is anybody else. Hanok says 1 when no, that's not single. No, if you remove 2, that's not. Okay, all right, let's wait for some more answers and see if anybody else comes up with it. What word has 5 letters but has only one left when 2 letters are removed? All right, alone has been an answer that's close, but think about it and let's get back to it in a minute. Here comes question 1. Question 1. 6, 1, and 2. The desired result is 5. It's very obvious how you can solve it, right? Because it's straightforward. And how do you, but the trick is in getting something that's unique or less popular, right? Think what everybody else is thinking. So the maximum points is 54. 54 is a maximum point. The answer was 1 plus 6 is 7 minus 2 equal to 5. That gets you 54. The most common answer was 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. All 8 solutions have been given. This is an excellent crowd. You are all thinking differently and saying, hey, how can I give that unique answer? So great job, guys and girls. And let's go to question 2. 18, 24, and 6. Desired result is 7, plus, minus, and division are the operators available. There are 2 solutions available. 2 solutions only. So how do you get 7 from 18, 26, and 6? I think the answers are locked in, and you have 26 of you have given the correct answer. So the division seems to be giving a little bit of an issue for you folks. So I suggest you look at the practice ahead of the match, spend a couple of minutes, and you would start thinking along these lines and get it going. All right. So 45 is the maximum point. 41 is the lowest point. So everybody was, it's kind of an even split. So let's take a look at question 3. 5, 15, and 4. The desired result is 79. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. There are 4 possible solutions. And there's an obvious answer to you staring at you and saying, pick me, pick me. So there is a multiplication of 5 times 15 or 15 times 5, and then add 4 to it. So I see 51 of you have given the correct answer. 49 is the leading point getter. 4 out of 4 solutions have been given. And I see that alone has been repeated by Eastman as a puzzle solution. Money, that's an excellent one, Rasiga Venkat. You are, as you know, most distinct players. You are giving unique answers. I'm very impressed. So great job. So let's, there is one more word I'm waiting for. So let's see whether you can come up with it. I'm sure this crowd can do. If anybody in the world can do it, you guys can do it. Let's take a look at question 4. 11, 20, 1, and 13. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. The desired result is 43. How do you get 43 from 11, 20, 1, and 13? I'm sure most of you are going to solve it. I see Madam and Royal as the answer. I'm not sure how you get 1 when you remove 2 letters from either one of them. So 46 of you have given the correct answer for this puzzle. The lowest point was 44 and the highest one is 54. So the range of 10 points. 90 out of 90 solutions, 20 have been given. Boy, I think this is the first time we are reaching into the 20s in terms of number of solutions. So you're all thinking different, right? And your neurons are firing and you're coming up with different answers. Great job, everyone. Stone, I saw somebody say stone. Is it Sri? Congratulations, Sri. And of course, Ratna MJ comes up with drone right away. And they're all correct answers. Great job. I expect no less from you. I'm trying to come up with riddles that, that stump you. So maybe I'll come up with one tomorrow. But anyway, that's for tomorrow. Let's take a look at question 5. Question 5, decimals. Desired result of 1.833, 10.2, 10.8, 9.333, 6.9. Addition and subtraction are the operators. There are 60 possible solutions. So theoretically, each one of you could get the maximum points if you all come up with distinct answers. I know it's very difficult. I'm expecting too much. But let's see how many of you have solved it and what's the point spread there. 8 out of 60 solutions have been given by 44 players. 54 is the highest point. And let's see. So we've got leader is at 251 points. And so we're moving on to question 6. Question 6, desired result of 49, 3, 18, 4, and 16. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. There are 16 possible solutions. How do you get 49 out of 3, 18, 4, and 16? Multiplication is involved, but what else do you have to do? I'm trying to go through 3 times 16, 3 times 18, and see how we can come up with it. Is that the clue, or is it something else that's hiding there? 4 times 16, okay. All right, so 64 and then 3 minus 18 is minus 15. Wow, minus 15 plus 64. That gets the most points, and leaders at 304 points. 7 out of 16 solutions were given by 24 players. So I guess this was a little bit tricky, and you had to think a little bit to get it. So only about half of you got the right answer. Still, great job. Let's move on to question 7. Tanuj is saying subtraction is not working. Let's give it a try. 11, 4, 6, and 7. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication are in play. The desired result is 57. How do you get 57? And there are 48 possible solutions, by the way. And so how do you get 57? What do you multiply? Is 11 times 4 or 4 times 11 the key? I think that should get it. And then let's take a look. Yeah, 11 times 4 plus 6 plus 7 equal to 57 got the maximum point. So, and so let's, so 18 out of the 48 solutions have been given. TTG 1, 2, 3, I'm not sure why the subtraction is not, maybe, no, the subtraction is always should be active. So I don't think anybody else, Tanuj and TTG are having the same issue. So we'll check it, but it must be a device specific issue because the others are obviously solving. And for this particular puzzle, there was no need to use subtraction either. So any case, let's try it on the next one, question 8, which is fractions. 4/3, 1/2, and 3/2. How do you get 7/3 out of this? Addition, subtraction, the desired result is 7/3. 8 possible solutions. So you have 8 ways of getting this. I'm trying to see 4/3 is already there. I need 1 on top of it. So I guess 3/2 minus 1/2 should be able to get you the answer. I hope that's how you did it. 27 of you have solved it. The leaders at 404 points. 6 out of the 8 solutions are given. And the leader with the 51 points did it a little bit of a hard way, 4/3 minus 1/2, and then added 3/2. So great job as we move on to the final easy algebra question. X, 2x, 6. What's the value of x that will give you the desired result of 18? There are 20 possible solutions. And how do you get x, 2x, and 6 to give you 18? So it's, this is the one crowd that says, algebra, that's too easy. Don't put me in question number 9. Move it earlier, right? There is no other gang in the world that could say that. Everybody else is scared of algebra, but not this crowd. They eat it up for breakfast and spit it out. 30 of you have solved it correctly. X equal to 4 gives you the correct answer. X equal to 4, then 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 2x is 18. So that's the value that, I see several of you have given. And somebody has said x equal to 1. Doesn't get you the answer, Ritesh. But anyways, that's a good try. Leaders at 453 points. Let's go take a look at who the winners are. 20 of you have won 25 cents apiece. Let's take a look at who the leader is at Hanauk at 453 points. And Shri, tough luck, buddy. Just 1 point behind, 452. And Panther wasn't too far off, 449. Tony Stark, the Iron Man himself, is 447. Bob, the Black Mamba is 438. What a close match. Great job, everyone. Hama, Rasiga Venkat, RK Durai, Vetri 17, KPMJ, and so on. And the lowest point at 325, you are able to pull into the winner's circle. So congratulations, Sujata, for getting into the winner's circle. Great job, everyone. We have another match coming up in 17 minutes. So until then, this is Saktivel signing off, reminding you, without numbers, you're not even a 0. Be a hero, play NumberRoyale every day, and in this case, in today, play it twice. See you soon. Bye for now.